Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use voiceover on TikTok. So first, after you open the TikTok app on your iPhone, you can click on the plus button to upload videos and then click over here. Now you have to click on the videos and select the videos to be in your TikTok clips. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And to add a voiceover here, you will have to click on the microphone icon over here, this microphone icon, and then click on that and click on record over here. So to start the voiceover, you have to press and hold on the red button over here and start your voiceover. Here, let me show you one sample of that. After you're done recording, just click on done over here. Voiceover test. And then click on save. Voiceover test. So that's how you do a voiceover in TikTok. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys.